Okay, the next problem is going to be the bird feeder problem. We have, it's a nice bird. Is that a German bird? Is that what that is? Yvette hangs a 24 Newton bird feeder in the middle of a rope tied to two trees. The feeder creates a tension of 480 newtons in each side of the rope. If the two trees are 4 meters apart, how much will the rope sag in the center? So we really have no idea how to draw it to scale. Here are the trees, okay, and those trees are how far apart?
4 meters.
4 meters apart. So this is 4 meters. Okay, so the bird feeder is going to be hanging from some kind of rope. This may look like it's not perfectly drawn, but that's just an optical illusion. It's actually perfectly written, yes? And so here's the bird feeder, and how much does the bird feeder weigh? 24 newtons. Okay, so here's going to be our, we're looking for this, right? We're going to, shall we call it simply the sag? Okay, we'll call it the sag, okay? We'll call it simply S. This is going to be 2 meters, right? Correct? Yes? Easy? What's the tension in the rope?
240. 480.
No, 480 newtons. It's 480 newtons. Each of these is the same, 480 newtons. Correct? You get that, Amir?
Yes.
Excellent. Now, so we know that this is 12 newtons. Yes? So, true or false? We have enough information to determine what that angle is. True or false? True, absolutely true, correct? Excellent. Yes or no? Yeah? So we could say opposite over hypotenuse. So we could say sine theta equals what? 12 over 480. Which equals what? So let me rewrite it. Okay, we got to look for the angle. So it's actually sine, arc sine, 12 over 480 equals theta. Theta equals what?
1.59.
1.59. Does everybody get that? Do we have a? Somebody reproduced that? We have a replication of results. Yes. Please stop tapping. Did we get that?
Yes.
Arc sine 12 divided by 480.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's going to be, this angle here is going to be what? Would you say it was?
1.59.
1.59 degrees. Yes?
1.43. 1.43. Yeah.
1.43. You get 1.59, 1.43. Would you like to give me a calculator for a moment, and we'll get the exact result that should be? Now, first of all, you want to make sure your calculator is on degrees. Okay, and it is. All right. Now, so it's going to be arc sine of 12 divided by 480, close parentheses, and it's 1.43. Is that correct?
Yes.
So this is actually incorrect. Okay, it would be 1.43, correct?
Sir, my calculator is not.
All right. Mohammed, did you see what you did wrong there?
Sir, my calculator is not.
Okay. All right, let's just simply figure it out. Okay? Now, so we know that this angle here, can I rewrite this? Is that all right? Can I kind of rewrite this?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we know that we want to focus in on something. Okay? We want to focus in on this triangle. We have, that's the sag, correct? We know that that's T, that's 480, This is 12, correct? This is 1.43, is that correct?
Yes.
Yes? And then, what else do we know? What's the length of here? What's the length here? This is newtons, this is newtons, and this is 2 meters, is that correct? And we need to know the sag equals what, correct? So, what do we know relative to length? We have an angle, we're looking for the sag, and then we have that length there. So what function could we use in order to find the sag? What would we use? Well, you could simply say, you couldn't use the Pythagorean theorem because you can't use force, and then length and length. That would be confusing, wouldn't it? Yeah? So you want to make sure that you have an angle, you have a side, and then you have an unknown. So I have an opposite side, I have an adjacent side. What? Tangent. Tangent. So I would say this is the function I would use. Opposite over adjacent. Yes? You with me? So I'm going to look for, I have the angle, so it's going to be tangent of 1.43 equals opposite, isn't it the opposite what I'm looking for?
Yes.
Yes. So opposite over 2. So what is 2? What is 2 times the tangent of 1.3? Wouldn't it be? The sag, or the opposite, equals tangent 1.43 times 2. So the side is going to equal what? What's the side going to equal? What is tangent 1.43 times 2?
0.4992.
0.5?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
No, 0.05.
All right, may I have your calculator, please? Thank you. So, 0.05. Isn't that what we said? Yes? Could you
Yes.
please take the calculator? Thank you. I appreciate that very much. Thank you. Appreciate it. So, what's the answer going to be?
0.05.
Which is how many centimeters is that?
5 centimeters.
5 centimeters, yes.
Yes.
Okay, we're off. Clear? Okay.